What up, YouTubers? Shinny D's in the house. My mate Jeddy Boys brought his classic Mini 998cc over. Just going to do a bit of setting up, aren't we, really?
Yeah, stage 1 kit on it, needs a setup.
Yeah, just old school. It's still on points, this?
No, it's electronic.
Is it? Right. Yeah. Not quite as old as normal then. But yeah, we're still on carburettor and that, so he's just done a few little odds and sods to it. Put an exhaust on it, hasn't you?
Exhaust, inlet, full manifold, stage 1 kit basically. Exhaust, manifold system, inlet manifold, different needle in the carb and a K&N in the standard.
Yeah, he's changed the needle in carbon. I think the other one had been slightly tapered, hadn't it? So we might put that one back in, but we'll set the static timing, get the timing light on it, and chuck it on dyno, see what it does. Probably about 50 brake horsepower.
I think at best. I'm reckoning 30, 35.
35 brake. Right, we'll aim for 50 brake then, innit?
Big numbers.
If we achieve 50 brake, yeah, we'll be alright. But I'll give you a bit of a walk round of it anyway. Proper old school. Got the classic grille on it. Looks better like that, doesn't it?
Yeah, Mark 1 grill.
Mark 1 grill. I've not seen one of these for a bit. She looks well. He's going to try and get it on 10s, won't you? Well, it's on 12s now.
It's on 12s at the minute, yeah. I'm still getting with it. You've got to drop the discs down from 8.4 inch to 7.5 inch
yeah.
to get the 10s on.
They do look better on 10s though, don't they?
Yeah, get some like balloon tyres on it.
Yeah. It's in good nick though.
Yeah, it's just starting the odd little place, but nothing major.
No. Look at that.
Full fancy Maniflow.
Nice that, innit? Get underneath. Mint underneath, mate. Look at that. Powder coated subframes. All painted underneath as well. Absolute minter. Check the old school buckets as well. Nice them, aren't they?
Yeah, treating myself. And standards cloth in it.
Retros, proper retros.
In the garage now.
Yeah, it looks well. Get leather dashboard. Nice that. He's got the retro roof rack on as well. So, we'll chuck it in, get it on the dyno, and have a little bit of a tweaking session, innit? She is all strapped down and that. Just put all the info on computer. So, we'll just go for a little run. There we go. That's the first run. So not bad. 44.5 brake horsepower, 44.2 foot-pound torque, and peak power 5,288 for the horsepower. But we're quite. I think that's the peak that for the Lamba. So I'll look on the graph and see what it is throughout, the progression. But not bad that. It's not too bad. It smells very rich. Well, yeah, not bad for the first run. She didn't blow up anyway. So we'll have a mess now. Happy days. So we're just getting the old trusty snap on it. Check the timing and that. So, well, the Lambo was a little bit rich. But it wasn't far out. It was like still 14s on high tick over, and then went down to about 12s, so I went around 13s really. So I'll have a mess about with it, but not bad other than that. Got another little visitor, old clubman. Oh mate, it's alright isn't it? Check this one out. Mini day. Sweet that mate. On tens as well.
Oh, you got me rolling on tens.
You got to, haven't you?
I got
Alright mate.
for you.
Did. Bell to that mate.
And you.
Yeah.
What's a B16?
Yeah.
She's got a B16 for the Honda boys. We'll have a look at that in a bit.
Some skunk stage 2 cams in it. And
Yeah? Nice mate. Proper toy. Right. So we've adjusted the timing and we've adjusted the mixture, so we're going to do another.
Do we want to go to timing a bit more? No, or was we happy with that?
No. We'll keep the time the same for
Hey,
now.
Daddy.
Pure power.
Pure power.
Oh. Is that right, Shane?
Yeah.
Going for it. We're up 1 horse.
Any increase is an increase. And he's gone up another 4.5 pounds of torque as well.
Even more torque.
Going in the right direction. Yeah. Like as much as you can make it a 998.
Yeah.
We like up, don't we? We like up. Yeah, we like up. So, another increase. Make sure the fan stops. So yeah, we started off on that was the first one, the blue line. And then we did another quick run after we did a little tweak with the timing and a little bit of a tweak with the mixture on the red line. And the green line is just the run what we've just done now. I mean, it's not much, but it's an increase, isn't it?
Percentages is percentages.
That's very correct, yeah. So going in the right direction. Old school.
Baby.
And we're off.
Building.
It is.
We're waiting for some big numbers here now.
47 and a half.
Yeah.
So I think that's where we're at on that, really, on that setup. We could mess about with the needle a bit, but we're similar to the other run there, 46.4 and 47.3 foot-pound.
No.
That's about it for that, unless you start tweaking with the needle and that, and other mods, so happy days, that'll do us. So a quick look at the B16 setup on the other one. Look at that. Right, well, it's a tight fit in there, isn't it?
Yeah. It just goes.
Yeah, fits well, mate.
It's not a show car, it's a bit, you know, a build.
It's not meant to be, are they?
people go to town on the engine bays and make them all like.
Yeah, there's no need, is it?
I'm not into all that.
Yeah, it's alright, it's nice that, mate. Typical British weather. Sun and then snow. Like that, mate. So this one's a B16 running, was it 180?
170.
170 brake, so that's an handful in a little light thing like this. Nice that.
510 kilos a car.
Yeah, it's nothing, is it? That's like that. That's lighter than my Renault. Yeah. Have a look inside it. Got the cage in it as well. Sound that, mate.
The halo's on the front.
Right, so that's pretty much it for this one. Bit of a mini day here. Two little monsters on the dyno. So, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos and like and subscribe. And I'll catch you later. So see you later, mate. Give me a wave.